Timberdoodle sent me this 2-stick painting succulents to review. This art kit comes with 6 canvases that have shadows already printed on them. One of the canvases is very large and the rest are medium and small. The shadows serve as a guide for painting. There is also a set of acrylic paints and 2 brushes. The kit also includes a frame for the large canvas. It includes an instruction sheet that gives general painting tips. There is a link to the webpage that has video instruction. However, these videos teach paint mixing and other painting techniques, as well as how to attach the wooden frame. They do not include step-by-step instructions for each piece. In the kit, there is a sheet that shows an example of each final product. One of my teen girls loved the fact that there wasn't step-by-step instructions because she likes to use her own creativity. She loved having the instructional videos on technique. My other daughter did not like this and would have much preferred step-by-step instructions for each video. Both girls really enjoyed the process and thought the materials were high quality and that the paint wasn't clumpy. You might want to have some extra paintbrushes of different sizes on hand. It does come with 2, but depending on your artist, they might like even more sizes. Other than that, the kit comes with everything you need for the 6 projects. Since there's only 1 frame, you might choose to buy additional frames, but you wouldn't have to. I just personally love to have my girls' art serve as decoration around my house. My girls' only complaint is that there weren't more to do. This was definitely a hit, and I was so happy to have something that was engaging to my teenagers, because we all know how hard it can be to find things that are engaging for the teenagers and that keep them occupied. We definitely recommend this 2-stick painting kit. I'm sure your kids will have just as much fun as mine did.